Hey everybody, so I'm how to tell where your light hits and where your shadows hit on an image. I'm using this image from Whimsy Stamps, and this one was printed off for me when I took my Copic certification classes, and I have a couple more here that I'm going to show you. But for right now, it's just lines from the sun, and this is like if it's coming directly down, or you can turn it this way, you can turn it to the side, however you want to turn it, okay? So this is perfect. You pretend that your sun, I'm going to use this one, pretend your sun is up here, okay? So these are the lines would be the rays of the sun. And so I'm going to take my little image and I'm going to put this on here, and I'm going to pretend like my sun is coming from this direction here. So as we know, when the sun hits, it gets blocked. But this is also a glass pitcher. So the sun is going to hit all along here, but where it's not going to hit is it's not going to hit here. It won't hit under his feet or underneath here. Okay, it might hit a little here, but it'll be not quite as bright. And it would hit here if this was like not a glass pitcher, if it was just a regular pitcher. And it would hit here, it wouldn't be blocked. Everywhere I'm putting green is where the sun would be blocked. Okay, so that's where you would put your shadows at, is all along here. So when you're coloring, you can take this on and off so that you know where your shadow is going to be. And this comes in really handy. You can actually make this by just having a, let me turn this down. You can actually make this by just using a piece of acetate and then taking a black marker like a Sharpie or something like that and just making straight lines every 1/4 inch for however big your paper is. Because I actually have this in an 8x10 for my larger images, and then I have this smaller one for smaller images. Now with Copic markers, of course, right after you're finished, I usually use just a non-alcoholic baby wipe, but you're going to want to wipe this off or it will not come off. Like right now, I let it set too long. So if you have like a water-based marker or something like that, you'll want to use that so you can actually get the stuff off. If you go ahead and leave your Copics on there for way too long, excuse me, you can take little alcohol wipes. These are just the cheapy ones from Walmart. And ta-da! All gone. And that goes for if you get it on your hands, if you get it on long on different images, because you can just, if your sun's coming this direction, or if your sun's coming from behind, or if your sun's coming directly above, you can use this one. So again, this one is just a piece of acetate, and you can make it however big you want, and you just use a ruler and draw your lines with you can use a black Sharpie pen and just draw your lines every 1/4 inch. Okay, so I hope this helps. This is what I use. A lot of people ask me what I use to tell where my shadows go, and when I have difficulty on an image, this is what I use. I hope this helps. Have a great day, everybody. Bye now.